Okay guys, here's the finished product. We were able to get these EG4 batteries installed. We made a custom plate that we had painted with Pour 15. We painted the rust on the trailer. We reinstalled the battery, sorry, not the battery, the fuel tank for the diesel generator. So you could see that we use the existing parallel cables that they had from the DC solar trailer, but we also put on we made our own Anderson connector, 350 amp, so we can parallel them in. That's what all the wire there is. We're going to be working on some kind of shade structure or water structure to just kind of keep these things clear of the rain. And it's all connected. End up using a Victron Smart Shunt, which I put in here, replacing the shunt that the unit came with. I had to set it to 450 amp per 50 milliamp hours to get it to match current. So you could see, okay, right now we're charging a car at about 5.4 kilowatts. By the way, we're charging the batteries now using the Midnight Solar, but with settings more optimized for lithium iron phosphate voltages. If anybody's interested, I could show you the settings. Actually, I could show you right now. Charge, volts. So you can see I've got 55.2 equalization, 55.2 absorb, 53.8 float, and then we go back, and then you can see charge time 40 minutes for absorb, 0 minute equalization. So I don't have any equalization charge going. T-comp, no T-comp, because we don't want to change the voltage based on temperature. And that's basically the settings. You could find online a video from somebody who used to work for Midnight Solar that talks about charging lithium ion. I just followed his recommendations. The other thing I did was there's a battery behind this panel, 1216. I changed the battery so we don't lose the memory of the charge settings. This is the like a Raspberry Pi running Victron OS. It overheats out here, so it reboots from time to time. I really need to get a fan on it. And once it comes back up, I'll show you what's going on. But this is what I'm charging. So I'm charging the car. We're almost full. Let's see what it says. Yeah, so we're 5 minutes remaining, and then it'll be full. It's rebooted. Still pulling 103.8 amps total, which if you look at this, you can see put a meters, battery meters, current. So about 99.7 versus 104. There's still some calibration I need to do. It's basically getting that curve, that how many amps per milliamp ratio correct so that this matches what the shunt shows. And then let's look at what the battery is reporting. See if it's pretty well even between the two. This one is showing 1.8, so it must have just shut off. 1.99. Let's go look at the other one. Yeah, it just shut off.